Looking for a reliable, high-performance tweeter that delivers crisp, clear highs without the shrillness? The Goldwood GT-324 titanium dome tweeter offers exactly that, with a solid 60 watts RMS and a peak power of 120 watts. Designed and engineered in the USA, this 8-ohm tweeter covers a wide frequency range from 3,500 to 25,000 Hz, making it a versatile choice for everything from DJ setups to home audio systems. What sets this tweeter apart is its premium build quality. Featuring a sturdy 1-inch voice coil paired with an 8-ounce magnet and a titanium dome cone, the GT-324 is engineered to provide precise sound reproduction and durability. Its compact dimensions, 625 inches in diameter and a mounting depth of just 1.06 inches, allow it to fit a 3-inch enclosure hole, making it a practical replacement for many speaker models. Whether you're upgrading your PA system, studio monitors, or even vintage speakers, this tweeter is built to meet professional standards. I recently had the chance to test these tweeters while repairing a pair of vintage Cerwin Vega L9 floor standing speakers from 1991. One of the original tweeters had failed, and rather than replacing the entire set, I decided to try the Goldwood GT-324 based on its solid reviews and reasonable price. The installation required some cabinet modifications, but the result was worth it. The new tweeters produced a balanced high-frequency response, never harsh or piercing, but just enough sparkle to enhance the overall sound quality. It brought new life to those old speakers without compromising their original character. If you're someone who values clear, detailed highs and wants a reliable replacement tweeter that won't break the bank, the Goldwood GT-324 deserves a serious look. Its combination of power handling, frequency range, and build quality makes it suitable for a variety of audio applications, DJ speakers, karaoke setups, live sound, and even car audio. Plus, knowing it's designed in the USA adds a layer of confidence in its craftsmanship. Worth a look if you're fixing vintage speakers or upgrading your current system without spending a fortune. This tweeter strikes a solid balance between professional-grade performance and affordability. Try it when you're ready to experience cleaner highs and a fuller soundstage without the guesswork.